Hello everyone. In previous lecture we had discussed different formula to calculate bearing capacity of soil for different types of footings. So now we are going to solve some problem based on these formulas. So let us discuss a question. A square footing 2.5 meter by 2.5 meter is built in a homogeneous bed of sand of unit weight 20 kN per meter cube and having an angle of shearing resistance of 36 degree. The depth of the base of footing is 1.5 meter below the ground surface. Calculate the safe load that can be carried by a footing of factor of safety 3 against complete shear failure. Use Terzaghi analysis. Take NC equal to 65.4, NQ equal to 49.4 and N gamma equal to 54. So this is our question. So first find out what are given in the question. So it is a square footing whose area is given 2.5 meter into 2.5 meter. Gamma equal to 20 kilonewton per meter cube. Phi equal to 36 degree. So obviously it is general shear failure. Depth of foundation D equal to 1.5 meter, factor of safety equal to 3, NC equal to 65.4, NQ equal to 49.4, N gamma equal to 54, C equal to 0. Here we have to find out safe load, that is P. Notation is P equal to question mark. Sorry. So it is given sand. It is directly not given that C equal to 0, but it is given it is sand. So we know sand is a cohesion-less soil, so obviously C value is 0. As we know, QS equal to safe bearing capacity equal to P by A. To find out safe load, we implies that P equal to QS into A, where QS is unknown but area is given. So first we have to find out the QS value, where QS equal to, again we know QNS plus gamma into D. So gamma value is given 20, D value is given 1.5, but QNS is unknown. So QS equal to QNS plus 30. Here again we have to find out QNS. QNS equal to QNF by factor of safety. Factor of safety is given 3, but QNF is unknown. So again we have to find out QNF. So QNF equal to QF minus gamma into D. So gamma value is 20 into 1.5. Again QNF equal to QF minus 30. Here QF is unknown. So again we have to find out QF. So we know the QF formula as it is square footing. We know the formula already discussed in previous lecture. So the formula is 1.3 C NC plus gamma D NQ plus 0.4 into gamma into B into N gamma. But here C value is 0. So this total term is 0. Not necessary to continue this term, total 0. Next is gamma 20 into 1.5 into 49.4 plus 0.4 into gamma value is 20 into B value is 2.5 into N gamma value is 54. So finally QF after calculation we found 2562 kilonewton per meter square. So as we calculate QF, simultaneously we can find out QNF. Already we know QF minus 30. So 2562 minus 30 equal to 2532 kilonewton per meter square. So QNF calculated. Next is QNS. So QNS equal to, again QNF by 3. So 2532 by 3. This is equal to 844 kilonewton per meter square. Again, as we calculate QNS, so finally we have to find out QS. QS equal to, we know QNS plus 30. This is equal to 844 plus 30 equal to 874 kilonewton per meter square. But actually we have to find out the P safe load. So we have to multiply QS into area A. So 874 into 2.5 into 2.5. This is equal to 5462.5 kilonewton. So this is our answer. So in this way, we will try this problem already solved. Try by yourself. Only we solved for square footing, but it is here it is given strip footing. Otherwise all the values are same. Process is same, but you have to find out by yourself. It is given square footing. So Better solve by yourself. Also it is given here Terzaghi analysis. In every question it is mentioned. You may apply Terzaghi, or there is another method also which we will discuss later. So this also Terzaghi equation it is given, but phi equal to 25 degree. So let us solve this question. Design a strip footing to carry a load of 750 kN per meter at a depth of 1.6 meter in a C5 soil, that means it is cohesive soil, having unit weight of 18 kN per meter cube and shear strength parameters as C equal to 20 kN per meter square and phi equal to 25 degree. Determine the width of footing using a factor of safety of 3 against shear failure. Use Terzaghi equation. So here it is already told that we can use Terzaghi equation. This is a strip footing and phi equal to 25 degrees. So it is local shear failure. So first write down the given data. P equal to 750 kN per meter, D equal to 1.6 meter, gamma equal to 18 kN per meter cube, C equal to 20 kN per meter square, phi equal to 25 degrees. So obviously it is local shear failure. FOS equal to 3. We have to, here it is given design. So we have to find out the width. B equal to question mark. Depth we know, only we have to find out the width of the footing. So let us solve it. So assume local shear failure for phi equal to 25 degree. NC dash value is 14.8, N gamma dash equal to 3.2, NQ dash equal to 5.6. In maximum question these values are given, but if not given, then the only way is to remember, you have to remember these values. So we know for local shear failure QF equal to 2 by 3 CNC dash, also strip footing. So according to this, so 2 by 3 CNC dash plus gamma D NQ dash plus 0.5 gamma B N gamma dash, or implies QF equal to 2 by 3 into C value is given 20 into NC dash value is 14.8 plus 18 gamma value is 18 into 1.6 D value into 5.6 plus 0.5 into 18 into B into 3.2, or implies QF equal to 358.61 plus 28.8 B, something B. So this is the unknown we have to find out. So QF is this much. Next we have to find out QNF. So we know the formula QF minus gamma into D. So 358.61 plus 28.8 B minus 18 into 1.6. So we subtract these two. After that we found 329.81 plus 28.8 B. Next we have to find out QNS. So QNS equal to QNF by factor of safety. QNF is this much, 329.81 plus 28.8 B by 3. This is equal to, we divide 3 with it again with this one. So 109.93 plus 9.6 B. Sorry. Next we have to find out QS. So QNS plus gamma into D. So we put all the values here. 109.93 plus 9.6 B plus 9.6 B plus 18 into 1.6. So final, the answer is 138.74 plus 9.6 B. So we found QS in terms of B. Give it equation 1. Again we know QS equal to P by A. P value is given 750 by, area is also given 1 meter. Area not given, we have to find. So for strip fitting, length into width. So 1 meter into B meter. So 750 by B. This is equation 2. So here we compare equation 1 and 2. Or we can put this QS value from here, from equation 1. So we put here 138.74 plus 9.6 B equal to 750 by B. So after calculation we found the width is B equal to 4.19 B. So this is our answer. So in this way you have to solve more problems. Next, value of bearing capacity for Terzaghi analysis. So here I give you some values, you have to remember. If it is given in the question it is okay, Otherwise, you have to remember these formulas. So for Terzaghi analysis, whenever phi equal to 0 degree, NC value is 5.7, NQ value is 1.0, N gamma value is 0.0. Whenever 20 degree, it is 11.8, it is 3.9, it is 1.7. Whenever 25 degree, NC value is 14.8, NQ value is 5.6, N gamma value is 3.2. So we know phi is less than 28 degrees. Obviously, these are under for local shear failure. So these are important phi value which are in a regular basis asked in question. So if you remember these values, you will not face any problem. Next, whenever phi equal to 30 degree, NC value is 37.2, NQ value is 22.5, N gamma value is 19.7. For 35 degree, 57.8, 41.4, 42.4. Whenever phi equal to 36 degree, NC value is 65.4, NQ value is 49.4, N gamma value is 54. So these are under or for general shear failure. So these are some values you have to remember. In next lecture, we will discuss determination of bearing capacity of soil by IS code method. Terzaghi method is completed. Another method is Indian Standard Code method. It has also some other formulas which you have to remember to solve some problem. So, thank you.